Let's customize the button, the functionality called Near Me. If you don't see the dashboard at the moment when you logged in, just please click My Apps, then click the app, and you are inside dashboard. Now let's click Edit Pages. And here are all the pages which are currently inside app. As you can see, there are a lot because, as you remember, we are working on a template of an app called Leads Club Finder, which is a real app. So all those information are related to the Leads Club Finder. And the purpose of it is I try to make this tutorial very easy. I will be showing you how to replace the information according to your needs, and then we will be removing all the unused and unnecessary files. So right now let's customize the Near Me functionality. Let's find the page called Near Me. Right here, and let's click Edit. Just quick reminder, as you can see, you can't see much on the web previewer. This is because this page is written only for environment of smartphone operation system, so it will not work in web previewer. This is just image and just for reference purpose. On the right you see the panel of the Near Me page. What you can see here, an option to view search result as a list or on the map. We will choose list. Then you can select either miles or kilometers. Then you can tick the box to show to pick a location, current location manually. If you disable it, it will generate find the current user's location automatically. We will leave it on. Here you can limit the locations. In here, as you can see, the image is missing, so we can put our logo in here. So navigate to your logo or any image you wish to embed. I will use our logo. Select and choose, click save. Okay, what else we have? Find button text. You can customize it to your needs. Location, source, we need local. And now we will be working on those two buttons. First one is called page and second location. Let's click on page. And in here we have options. I am looking for, as you can see on the left, is right here. And then it's within miles. Then my location is and type name options. Let's select the first one, I am looking for. On the bottom we see Leads Club Finder, but for just demo purpose, let's make it more complicated. Let's make Italian restaurants category, and we will use those two restaurants. Let's make Polish restaurant category. We will put those two names of restaurants, and let's create American restaurant category. So we go in here, we will replace Leads Club Finder with Italian. Then let's add another category, click plus, then it will be Polish restaurant, another category, an American restaurant. I will save it. Right now, let's click within how many miles. You can leave as it is, or you can customize the range. Then we have my location is, this will be automatically detected, or a user can pick by himself. Then type name, that's optional. This could be keywords like cheap restaurant as an additional filter of search. Now let's swap to locations, and here are all the locations of clubs in Leeds, as we are working on Leeds Club Finder application. So let's just select first one, and we will add those two restaurants under category of Italian restaurant. So I will just copy the name. So again, first location is selected. As you can see, under this one, there's some club in the Leeds. So we replace it with Uno, a restaurant, and now we are asked to input latitude and longitude. To find it, I would recommend you to go to, you can Google page like find latitude and longitude, but I just used a page called, website called itouchmap.com/latlong.html. What you need to do is just type the address of restaurant right here and click go. Scroll down, and in those two windows you will see the digits. So you simply copy latitude, go to your first location and paste the latitude, then go here, copy longitude, and do the same in here. Then types, commas, separated keywords, which are very important because based on these keywords the search results will be shown. So what we want to do in here, we want to put in our case two keywords. The first one, it's obviously the name of restaurant, which is Uno in our case, and the second keywords, which is important, it's Italian. So when someone will choose, I'm looking for Italian restaurant, this is the first keyword, Italian, and then let's say based on this latitude and longitude, this restaurant will be within the selected range. It will be shown as Uno Italian restaurant within 2 miles, for instance. In here we can put URL, which will be shown next to the restaurant, and target URL, it is the page where a user will be taken after he will click on Uno restaurant. And description. Description will be shown if you choose in here map output mode, but in our case we chosen list, so it's not necessary to put this one. Then what left to do is we need to find this page and we need to change it to Uno restaurant along with all the informations related to Uno restaurant. So let's go and find this page and change it to Uno Restaurant. So again, before I leave this page, I will save changes, click done, and in here amongst all those files, I'm looking for Oceana HTML. So this will be gallery. Okay, so in here I need to replace those images with Uno Restaurants images. To replace it, it's simple. You just select it, then you just navigate to image, 3 dots, click it and upload the image. About the image size, I would recommend to make it not wider than 320 pixels, and if it comes to height, let's not make it higher than 350, 400 you can make it. Description you can put in here, and actions. So if someone decides to click on the image, you can set where the users will be taken after clicking. I will do one more thing. I will change the name Oceana to our Uno Restaurant. So to change the name, file name, just select it, highlight it, and then click on this icon. And I will put here Uno. Okay, let's go back to our Near Me page. Select it, click Edit. Okay, let's go to Locations. This is the information we just input. And now we will change the target URL to uno.html. So click those 3 dots and find Uno. It's listed alphabetically, so it's easy to find. We're looking for Uno HTML, gallery, choose and save. Okay, that's done. So now let's just add another Italian restaurant, which I call DOS. So let's click location 2. In here we have some club in Leeds. Let's put DOS restaurant. Again, the same steps if it comes to latitude and longitude as previous. The terms we would put DOS, as this is the restaurant name, and we need to put as well category, which is Italian. And in here the same story, we have gallery of Riza, a club in Leeds, but we need to do the same what we did in location number 1. Replace all the images and change the name to DOS restaurant. Click save. Okay, now we will add Polanka restaurant under the category of Polish restaurant. So location number 3, changing name, the same story if it comes to longitude, latitude. Now the search terms, we would put Polanka, as this is the name of restaurant, and we need to put the category name, which is Polish. The same story according those. Click save. And let's add second restaurant under category of Polish restaurant. So I just highlighted location 4 and then search terms. The name was Knajpa and category Polish. Click save. Now, if you will need more of those locations, all you need to do is just simply click plus and scroll down. You will see blank one in here. If you don't need that much, I strongly recommend to delete all the ones you don't need it. So to delete it, just select and click minus. Of course, when you finish, click save and preview it on the apps Volcano Previewer to see it exactly how it looks like. Click done.